Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to do a price prediction update in the market for ICP, or Internet Computer. And currently you guys can see off our charts that we were expecting the market in ICP to go higher. We're going to break that down, and as well as trying to see if that still is continuing. Welcome everyone to the channel. Make sure you guys hit that like, share, and subscribe. We are only here just to show you that you can do price predictions without any confusion. People tell you that it is impossible to know where prices are going to go, when in actuality, sometimes the market is tipped in your favor. You kind of can see what is the consensus of the market. So let's go ahead and break this down real quick for ICP. Now, this price prediction right here was produced on April the 15th. You guys can see as I zoom in on the chart, the market did go higher. And in fact, it got snagged right here at this sell pocket. Were you able to take the profit in the market in ICP on the 26th of April? Because if so, that would have garnered you 10%. After that particular day, price has gone lower. So what this really means to us is that, okay, cool, this sell pocket right here didn't impact the buyers, but this one did. So this is a very valid area in the market for ICP for us to know that even when price comes back up to this sell pocket, there's still potential for these buyers to get rejected in that pocket, in that zone. Okay, so we're going to keep that there for ICP. Let's go ahead and look at the market in ICP on the 2. Okay, so currently I'm not overly bullish. I'm not overly bearish. Just pretty much looking at the market just consolidating, as you guys can see, from all the way down here around $4.50 all the way up here to $5.50. That's pretty much the idea that the market is going through for this particular altcoin. Here it is on the 3-day. Okay, this 3-day bar is letting me know that the weakness was there. It did hit that sell pocket. It bled into the next 3 days of trading, but this is where those buyers are becoming a little bit more attractive to the price. They're kind of letting us know, hey, look, we're getting another opportunity to buy ICP at $4.75. Let me come in and buy a little bit more, because the market on this 3-day price bar closed off the lows, and we're currently seeing on this current 3-day bar, well, I mean, even though the buyers think that price is attractive and they're wanting to buy, the sellers are also telling us that they're there trying to sell into the market too. Here it is on the 4. Here it's ICP on the 5-day chart. And on the 5, it's giving us a very different picture to where on this 5-day bar, price went up only just to get rejected on that sell pocket to close all the way back down. So from a 5-day perspective, we may actually still be in weakness, or the market being controlled by sellers. Okay, so keep that in mind as we look further away in time on the weekly chart. So what do you guys think about this? Like I said, I'm not overly bullish or bearish, because the market in ICP from a weekly chart perspective has just been bouncing in between this sell pocket and this buy pocket down there. Okay, here it is on the 2. Now, I want you all to see how the market in ICP on the 2-weekly chart, it looked like it's coming in for a landing, to where you would expect the market just to eventually bottom and then begin to go back up. That's what it looks like on the 2. Here it is on the 3. ICP on the 5, and for the monthly. Okay, so I'm kind of like indifferent on the current price action in ICP. Looking at this on the 5-hour chart, look at these volume bars right here. Okay, look at this one, and then this one. So yeah, the market is being sold off on the 5-hour chart, but with this volume, you guys can see what did price do. Price went up. So right here is where the market participants are buying. Okay, right in this area. So as we see this weakness continue, this selling continue, we need to see the market in ICP is going to bounce there again, because if it does, then that tells us that the market participants, the buyers, if anything, are even more determined to support the price in this pocket. Okay, so that's on the 5-hour chart. Here it is on the 3. So you can see right here is a sell pocket, and then another one is created right there. Okay, 1 hour. This area right here is going to be tested to me. We're going to see if the buyers are going to be right there between $4.83, 85 cents, because if so, we were expecting a bounce. We're expecting price to come to that price and lift from there. Here it is on the 330. Now, on the 330, this was opportunity for the market in ICP to go higher, and it didn't right here. Okay. Well, it did go up, but you guys can see after it went higher, the market became more active in selling, and we're currently seeing price come down. We have 4 minutes and 35 seconds left. So we really didn't get the follow through off of this 330-minute price bar that I would have liked. Okay, so we saw opportunity here on the 330, just like we saw opportunity on this 330. The reaction was good only to the point where it hit $5. Sellers came back on this 330-minute bar. They only brought the price to $5.10 or $5.07. That was it. So you guys can see that the market buyers may be getting tired because we're not seeing a very good reaction from when price goes lower. Okay. So right now, I'm just kind of indifferent. I'm not looking for anything too good into the market in ICP. Like I said, we may just see this particular cryptocurrency just trade within a trading range, and I'm not looking for too much out of that. Okay. So yeah, I'm just going to leave it alone for the moment. I think we need to get a little bit more information on how the market is being tipped in favor of the buyers or the sellers. I'm kind of indifferent on that right now and making a determination as to which side of the market is actually winning. So that tells us that we just need to sit the sideline. Now, don't let people try to trick you and think that you're supposed to drop a prediction in every market at any given time, because sometimes the market is just foggy. It's hard to distinguish between, okay, who wants to move the market? Because right now, that's what I'm seeing in the sense of ICP. Now, in the next 13 hours and 2 minutes, if this current day bar closes at the high of the bar, then that tells me, okay, yeah, the buyers are being controlled. The buyers are controlling the price right now in ICP, and right now I don't see that. Okay, so let me just put this on ice. Drop your prediction in the comment section and let everyone else think. See what you're thinking. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.